L Tv. On this channel, I cover your lifestyle cooking. Honey, I bring different recipes to the table, things that may necessarily not be your traditional way of cooking, because I like to shake things up with different seasonings, different flavors, honey, and just bring something new to the table. I'm bringing you recipes that I love, that my family loves, so hopefully that you guys enjoy them. Well, you know, guys, what I'm gonna say next, right? Subscribe! Come on, ring the bell so you know each and every time I bring a new video. Positive vibes live on Tonya L Tv, honey. Drop a comment and give me that thumbs up. Remember to live, love, laugh, and create. Until next time, guys.